here dinner, tunaenda straight kuona movie.
Wamesema tukimaliza dinner, we go straight tujibambe na movie.
Leo na hoteli yoyote, this is just amazing.
Unajua wanatupatia nini for dinner?
Wow. Wow.
To the spa.
Okay.
This is a Palace pool.
Oh, it is beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's composed of two pools. They have the pink pool that has the hydrotherapy, and then the small pool has thalassotherapy.
So here we are coming for its massaging.
Here we have the hydro massage. Once you have the hydro massage, then you get the body relaxed, and then after the hydro massage, you move to the small pool. Because it has a lot of salt.
This one has a lot of salt.
Yeah, it has a lot of salt. Yeah, so the small pool of it will relax you, and then also it goes a lot because it has a lot of minerals in it.
Okay.
But this one is specifically for massage. It's massage to compare body. Each and every step has got its own place.
Okay, let's go. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful place.
Let's do this.
Massage. Tunakuingia kwa maji.
So to start with,
Massage.
you can start with here.
Yes.
Whereby it massages your back and your tummy and your legs.
Okay.
It's coming.
Oh, we are with Chef Giacomo from Italy. What are we having tonight?
Tonight we have the special tuna, Japanese style, marinated with soya, just pan fry, and then we serve it in the Mediterranean way with mozzarella, pesto sauce, some pickled onions, little bit arugula, and a little bit olive oil. So this is our plate, and enjoy your taste.
This plate looks, just look at how beautiful that is. Look at how,
On the beach.
It was mandated
on
24
the
hours.
beach. Oh, look.
You want
Let's
to
go
hold
to-
it also?
Oh, you can, it's because it's too pretty. Let's go to our seat. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, babe, this is the best hotel ever. Oh. Yani, I'm being massaged my whole body na maji. It's a therapeutic pool. Oh wow. Oh wow. Then you should see the whole hotel, the way the pool looks. It's so beautiful on a long shore. So oh, Diamond Dream of Africa. Book your stay by Bountiful Safaris.
Mbona unaboeka hivyo?
Babe, naona nianze biz. Nisha register kila kitu, nataka kuanza biz online. Nianze kuuza vitu online kuza kuna mashow.
Sasa wewe unajua story ya kuimba. Story online utajua utawezanaje?
Siwezi learn vitu sasa hivi because mashule zimefungwa. So nitafanya tu na venye ile wisdom niko nayo.
Aya, wacha nikwambie kitu hapa hivi. Kuna class inaitwa Smart Digi ya online.
Smart
Digi ni class ya online
ya kufundisha watu kuuza vitu online.
Kufungua biashara. Unajua wengi wanafanya vitu na wajui. Kufungua biashara, kurun it. All these things about online. Wanakufunza kila kitu.
Class inaanza wewe?
Inaanza 9.
Class inaanza 9.
Hii 9 tayari una time. Yes. And listen,
unaitwa Smart
Digi. And listen. Kwa hii story yote ukichukua class ya asubuhi wanakuletea breakfast for free. Ukichukua ya mchana lunch for free.
Class iko how long?
1 hour.
Atumesema
On 9th inaanza. Smart Digi.
Sawa.
Si ungetaka nikwambie hata link ni wapi? Sikiza nakwambia.
Hi mama. How you doing? How you doing? Unajua sometimes tunawekaga photos tuko so tumetegezwa manywele, manywele zinakaa vizuri, lakini kwa ground sometimes vitu zinakuwa different. Angalia nywele ya Junior. Wamboi, what did you do to Junior's hair? Angalia imejaa mchanga, mimi niko na matuta, huyu anabomolewa nywele. Sometimes kwa ground vitu zinakuwa different. Yes, baba, waambie kwa ground vitu zinakuwa different. Waambie. Not all the time tunakuanga tumejitengeneza, sometimes tunakuanga na manywele. Baba, look at how you look. Look at yourself. Yeah. Now you want to eat mommy. Who has saliva? Baby Junior. Oh yeah, thank you guys for watching the Mariahs on YouTube. Tuna trend number 3. Because it is the premiere of season 2 of Dine with the Mariahs. Thank you so much for watching. We thank Ati Asanteni to support season 2 of Dine with the Mariahs and to make it trend on YouTube. Look at Jesus. We love you so very, very much.
Number 3.
Number 3. And tuko huku. Unajua tunapenda kuzuruda. Tuko mzururaji. Babe, wewe unacheza na kamera sana na kamera bado.
God bless you. We love you guys. Waona kidogo? Bado kuna kata hiyo.
Yes. So tuko mahali hapa mzururo. Mimi na Mariah.
Utafanya hata umie kichwa.
Yes.
Alafu tuone view.
Oh, view. View ndio hiyo. That's the view, Nairobi view. Ndio hiyo.
We love you guys. Thank you for supporting us.
Babe na feel ni poa tuchaniwa other families because unaona kama sisi actually what we are doing, we wanna do DJ, we na do music and drama and ni talents tulikuwa nazo kutoka tuko young but our parents never actually
we discovered ourselves.
Yes, our parents wetu wako support. So right now ni time ya COVID season na watu wako home.
Wamechokesha watu kichwa.
Yes, hata kwanza mimi sina hata house girl nasikia kitu inataka kutoka mpaka thank you for bringing me to Trademark.
No worries.
So just to relax. Now, discover Wambo in this period amekuwa home discover anapenda a lot of technology.
By the way, anapenda tech sana.
Yes, and to find a good way to nurture this talent.
Kenya kona unajua Wambo by the anapenda vitu za tech. And we did our research nicely. Alafu tukarealize aje kuna program inaendelea sasa hivi.
Your program mimi Saudi
inaitwa Nurture program.
Yes, Nurture program. And the good thing with this program inafundisha mtoto kumekata your own website, your own applications and all those things. Wanakuwa good in technology. And you know right now Kenya ina grow. The whole world is growing towards technology. So as we've decided to build our baby in that way. Also if you want to join, how can people
But ukitaka kuenroll for this program mama the classes ni very nice ni www.nurtureprogram.com www.nurtureprogram.com.
And parents, not everyone is supposed to be book smart or to prevail in books. We're not saying mtoto wako asisome ama nini, but there are people who have more talent than book wise. So let us support our kids, let us be there for our children, and let us spend time with them to make sure that most parents don't spend time with their kids. Let's spend time with our kids and know exactly what they are good at.
So you're talking about Nurture program. Remember, mtoto wako kama kwa 5 years to 12 years hapo ndio inaapia, sio? 5 years to 12.
5 years?
5 years to 12 years.
5 years to 12 years. But your baby can be a bit bright. Kama Wambo, hajafika 5 exactly, amebakisha 3 to 4 months. But tunamuenroll because we notice anaweza.
Yes.
Ni kwa hiyo. Okay, so guys,
Tech is the future.
Ni photo, ni video.
Tunafanya video.
Ona venye Faith anajifanya ati anakuaga. Faith unajifanya hivyo kwa photo. No, she's pretending. She's never like that. Hi Mary.
Right, left, both tap, okay? Right, left. Right, left, both tap. 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 Right, left. Tap, 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 tap. You're spoiling the game. For this side. Right, left, both. Okay. And let's see. Right, left, both, tap. Okay. Right, say, right. Let's see. Right, left, both, tap. Okay. Right, left, both, tap.
Na nimekutana na mwanamke fulani pia anatoroka nyumbani. Watoto no.
Kitanga.
No.
No bebes.
No bebes. Hey, ufurahi no baby watakujifanya. Once in a while tunasemaga no baby.
Hivi. Unless there's blood. Kuna damu.
Hakuna damu.
Kama kuna damu, please
Usi,
don't call me.
don't call us, please. Sort it. Kama hakuna damu, don't call us. Tunakula nini leo waku? I'm telling you, the setup is mwah.